This is the elevator, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I believe this was originally either a Houghton or a Westinghouse K&H elevator, but sadly it was modernized by most likely Lynn's Elevator Service with monitor PC fixtures sold up to 8. Freight elevator right next to this one is an original Westinghouse K&H, but sadly you need a key to ride that one. Here 8. We'll go back down to the lobby. Certificates in the management office. There's your key switches, ADA phone, file first operation, case file is out of service. Pretty basic and nice at the same time. Interesting square pattern. Tile floor made to look like marble, and the laminate cap made to look like wood. Again, just a pretty basic elevator. Go back to the lobby. It closes, and that's going to be it.